let's understand how the images formed by these lenses, like these type of lenses, these two type of lenses, that is concave lens and convex lens. As we already know that concave lens is a diverging lens. Now, as we have seen in the case of mirror, that convex mirror, what it do is it diverge the light rays, and because of that, images formed in that case was virtual. Same thing happens here. The images that are formed in the case of concave mirror are always virtual. And as I have said, if there is a virtual image, it will always be erect, and the images are always large and on the same side of the object where object is kept. Now see here in this lens, what is happening? Now this is our concave lens. Now what we are going to do is we are going to do a quite simple and short experiment. On that, what we are going to do is we are going to keep our lens here, which is a concave lens. Then we are going to keep our object here. Now when the rays move from here and goes to here, that is, they goes to the lens. Now in this case, what is happening is, because of this outer surface, what lens do is it diverge the rays, and because of that there is no image formation takes place on this side, that is other side of the lens. And because of this diverging, what we see is, we see some imaginary image which is like this on this side itself, on the same side where the object has kept. So this is how the image formation takes place in the case of concave lens. Because of the outer surface, the rays, the lens, what it do is it diverge the rays, like ray are coming in this direction, it diverges the rays, and because of that no image formation takes place towards the other side, but it takes place on the same side where object is kept. And here you can clearly see the size of the object as comparison to image is very small. So we can say that the images that are formed by the concave lens are larger in size, or we can say are very magnified and large in size. So that is about concave lens. Now let's move to convex lens. In case of convex lens, what happens? The images that are formed are real, and with real, what goes in go hand in hand is inverted. Real images are always inverted, and in this case the image formation or the size of image is small, or we can say that highly diminished, very small. Now here again understand how image formation takes place in the case of convex lenses. Now the most important thing in the case of convex lens is that the image or the size of the image formation depends on the distance of the object from the lens. Now if the object is kept far from the the lens, then the image formation will be of smaller size. But if it is kept very close to the lens, the same thing which we have seen in the case of concave mirror goes here also. If the object is kept very near to the lens, what happens? The image formation will be virtual and erect. There will be no formation of image on the screen, right? Now see here how the image formation in the convex lens takes place. Now here, first we are going to take our convex lens. Again, what we are going to do is, we are going to keep our object here. Now, when the rays passes from the lens, what lens do is, it do the refraction process that we have already discussed in our earlier slides. Now, when the rays from here goes to the lens, what lens do is, it do the refraction. And again, now wherever these rays collide or meet, there we see the formation of image. Now you can see that if the image here is like the object is kept straight, But on the other side, because of the refraction, what has happened? The image that formed here became real and inverted. So that is how the image formation takes place in the case of convex mirror. In convex lenses, always the cases, the image formation is real and inverted. It is smaller than the object. But the cases change when the object is kept very near to the lens. If it is kept very near to the lens, no real image will form. In that case, virtual image will form. So that is how the image formation takes place in the lenses.